Next, I'm going to introduce you about our new DBS response system. We call it DRS system. As you can see, our DRS system, the teachers can edit its questions on the PPT files by inserting the pictures or the text, or the teachers can insert the video files on the slide too. And for each student, they have an answer controller in hand to answer the questions. The student can choose one answer to answer single choice questions, or to choose more than one answer for answering the multiple choices questions, choosing circle or cross for true and false questions. And after student answered, the system will show the answer student list on the DRS system screen. And it will also show the answer student list, the accuracy, and the correct answers for teachers to understand about students' answer condition. This system can not only create a more interesting teaching environment, but also increase the interactivity for teachers and students in class. Let me introduce you the DRS interface. As you can see, this is the PPT teaching files that we created, and we can see several question slides here. And we come to DBS response system. And here are the exam tools. And we can click Set Exam to set the questions and answers for this slide. And we can click here to clear the exam and answers. And this is the cut button that we can cut the needed information from the web page. And you can see the PPT toolbar here. We can insert the shapes, the pictures, charts, tables, and also audio and video files here. And here is the student list. And we can choose the class and see the class members here. And you can see the record overview to choose the class and see every student's scores. And this is the execute function. We click here and we can see the 5 teaching functions that we provide here. And I will introduce you later in the next section. I'm going to show you how to create the question slide through these functions. And this is the cut functions. And it is for teachers to cut the needed information from the web page. Teacher can click cut. And you can see 2 scissor icons. And this is for cutting the rectangular pictures. And this is for cutting the irregular shaped pictures. And teacher can go to the web page. If he wants to cut this picture as the question slide, first he can click the scissor and cut the picture down. And we go back to our slide. We can see the picture is automatically pasted on the slide. And the teacher can come to Set Exam to create the questions. For example, if teacher asks, what is the animal in this picture? And you can set correct answer B and click OK. Then the question slide is finished. If the teacher also wants to insert the audio and video files in this slide, he can click Audio to insert the files in this slide. In this slide, I'm going to show you the exam tools. And for this question 1, we can set the answer here and click Set Questions. And you can choose the question types, the single choice, multiple choice, and the true and false questions. If it's 4 single choice questions, we can set the answer option numbers. If it's 4 options, You can choose 4 and set the correct answer. And you can also set the score here for this question. And you can also click countdown. It means after 60 seconds, it will go to the exam will be over. And if you check auto next page, it means after 60 seconds, it will flip to the next page automatically. And you can also check anonymous mode. It means the system will not record the student name and the grade. And if it's for multiple choice question, you can set the number here and choose the correct answer. For example, A and B. If it's for true and false questions, you can choose true or false. And for these questions, it's true and false questions. We can set a correct answer here and click OK. And after answer setting, you can see the pencil icon in the up left corner. You can also clear the answer for this slide, and the icon will be disappear. After the exam, if teacher wants to check the student's score, he can click Record Overview. And you can choose the class Senior. And you can see the exam dates, the exam type in this section. And here is the seat number, student name, the correct answers in each slide, and score, the student answer. Teacher can also choose to export the student score into Excel file and save it into the PC. Or choose the printer to print the student score out. Next, I'm going to show you how to manage our student list. First, we click here, Student List. And we can see our class name here. And the class student members. This is the seat name. And this is student name. And this is the group that the student belongs to. And this is the device, which means the student ID on our new DBS panel. And we can also add the new class here.